Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford Bronco Sport in an Outer Banks trim, and powered by a 1.5-liter EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power and fuel efficiency with four-wheel drive capabilities. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, we have a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. You have these tie-down points on either side with little lassos on them, 12-volt power outlet. Underneath this cover, you have your full-size spare with some extra room around it, so a very rugged cargo floor, and you also have cargo lights that can be articulated to shine wherever you need them. Looking into the back seat, where you have comfortable seating for three with a partial cloth and ActiveX interior, fold-out armrests with two cup holders, as well as having a USB, USB-C, and 110-volt power outlet down there. The backs of the seats also have zippered pouches and molly rigging that you can hook equipment onto. This vehicle has a remote start, so no need to go outside to warm up your vehicle. Looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a fully power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen where you can cycle through your trip information, tire pressures, radio station, fuel economy, and then you can also go into further settings and controls. Moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls, as well as having your hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom, and your lane keeping system on the end of the signal stalk. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable. Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed. Settings for your screen and some other features around your vehicle. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going. You also have a premium B&O sound system, so your audio is going to sound pretty decent. Moving down, you have your media controls, hazards, and auto start stop shut off. A little tray here, and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, heated front seats, and a heated steering wheel. Down below that, you have this area with a USB, USB-C, and 12-volt power outlet, as well as a wireless charging pad, so if your phone's compatible, throw it on there to charge. Then you have your main shifter on a dial, parking brake, brake hold, two cup holders, and your GOAT mode selector, or drive mode selector, for normal, eco, sport, slippery, and sand, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Then you have your center compartment / armrest with plenty of room, as well as another USB and USB-C. And last but not least, you have a power moonroof so you can land in the sunshine. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.